Hello and welcome to another edition of Everyday Digital Conversations. This is where we discuss all things digital, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, whatever is happening in the technology world, all the innovations, the latest news. We try to have the conversations and everything in between. My name is Ali Kingston Wheeler. I am asking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Search for my name, Ali Kingston Wheeler, and you will be able to find a lot of videos that I have produced in the recent past. Invite your friends, leave a comment there, and I will be happy to have a conversation with you just right there. You are welcome if you are watching this video for the first time, and I am so excited. What do we have today? Every day we try to bring something very exciting, and even right now I have some great information to share with you, and I have been receiving great feedback from the community, you people watching there. Recently, the Minister of Technology and Science launched the Artificial Intelligence Strategy for Zambia. This is good news for Zambia having the strategy, as the minister mentioned it as the stepping stone into wealth creation and job creation for Zambia. It's quite very interesting, especially when you want to look at the term and how the government is going to create jobs. While there is another sector or another section in our communities that are so much concerned, claiming or assuming that artificial intelligence will take over their jobs. But through this strategy, the minister is trying to present the roadmap how Zambia is going to create wealth and jobs for you and for everyone around. So take time to read this strategy, understand it, and see how you can benefit from the wealth and how you can benefit as well from the jobs that will be created there. And it is founded on 5-fold building blocks that will help to implement artificial intelligence in Zambia. 5 building blocks, according to this strategy that the Ministry of Technology and Science is launched for Zambia. Number 1, as digital trees, 3 digital trees, which involves having a data connection. You will agree with me, or you need to understand that for data or any artificial intelligence system, application or device, it requires fast connectivity. So through this strategy, there is need to see that Zambia attains high internet speed, which involves 4G, 5G, and fiber connection, and maybe other innovations that will be invented in the future. Currently, where we are standing, majority of the Zambians are accessing 3G, and the smaller population accessing 4G. Majority or some, they are still accessing 2G, where it may be or it will be difficult for them to benefit from the AI, because it requires that there is data connection. So this strategy will help to see that we have high speed connection across the country, the platforms and the applications that will be using the AI. Number 2, the minister mentioned that there is need to have reliable data. Reliable data is where the data is in use, where the data is being stored, and where the data is being transmitted to. So there is a Data Protection Act that is being reviewed that will help to see that the data that is being used by AI systems is reliable. The European Union, they do have the AI Act. I want to believe that even in the future, or right now maybe, decision makers are looking into that, having the AI Act. For Zambia, just like we do have the cybersecurity, the Data Protection Act. So AI relies on the huge amount of data for it to perform or to give accurate information. And another building block or the pillar in the strategy the minister talked about is trust and confidence. Trust comes as a result when people or the users of the system feel secured. That comes as a result when they have confidence that the cyberspace is secured. So the minister in this strategy is talking about having a secure, a safe cyberspace. Artificial intelligence systems, when they are communicating from harvesting or pulling data from one source to the other, how is the data being transmitted, who is handling the data, and is there confidentiality, is the data available whenever it needs to be accessed, is the data something that people can, is it reliable? So in this case, to achieve this strategy of trust and confidence, there is need to have proper cyber security processes, standards, and policies. And already we do have the Cyber Security and Cyber Crime Act, and these documents now, they are being reviewed so that we can have the Cyber Security Act as a separate document and the Cyber Crime Act as a separate document. All these are under review. So there are so many concerns, especially in terms of security, privacy, legal implications, ethical issues, and many other items that brings the item of trust and confidence. This is not just only in Zambia where this discussion is happening, but globally. And number 4, the building block is innovation and entrepreneurship. Artificial intelligence relies on innovation, and it calls for entrepreneurs to come up with solutions to solve challenges that humans are facing. I want to remind you that artificial intelligence is about solving human problems. It's about making life easier, not taking over people's jobs. In the health sector, there has been a lot of innovations. Artificial intelligence is used to diagnose or to treat certain diseases. When it comes to cancer and many other sicknesses, artificial intelligence has been considered to provide accurate results and accurate treatments. So, trust me, we need innovators in the health sector. And in the agriculture sector, we can apply artificial intelligence. And in education, in the financial sector, for people who are doing investments, it is believed that artificial intelligence is able to make accurate predictions when it comes to those who invest in security activities. And in education as well, it is being implemented, and the minister mentioned that as well. And recently we have seen, as the minister mentioned, that they want to see that there is efficiency in the delivery of public services. In the recent past, we have seen Zambia innovating an application where one can access various business or government services through the government bus system, where you can pay ZRA taxes, where you can pay your road tax, where you can pay various government services. So we can see that there's so much innovations, like with an example that I have given entrepreneurs, they need to come on board. And the last one, the pillar number 5, the minister talked about collaboration and partnership. This is how it can be sustained. The ideas shared, they need to be sustained through collaboration, through partnership. In this case, I can say the academia, they do so much of research. There are students who are doing research projects. They need to come on board. And the private sector, they need to come on board. The government as well, they need to come on board, so that together we can build a better Zambia, where we can begin to see artificial intelligence creating wealth for Zambia, creating jobs for Zambia. Recently, we have seen the Minister of Science and Technology partnering with the private on how the government wants to deliver the services to the citizens of Zambia. So I have shared with you this exciting news where the minister launched the artificial intelligence strategy for Zambia, and it is being founded on the 5-fold building blocks. Number 1, the 3 big trees. Number 2, reliable data, trust and confidence. Number 3. Number 4, that is innovation and entrepreneurship. Number 5, partnership and collaboration. So this is quite very interesting. And job creation through artificial intelligence. I think in my next edition of Everyday Digital Conversations, I want to respond to some fundamental questions you, the community, asked concerning what does it mean to be human in the age of artificial intelligence. There are questions concerning job security. There are questions concerning ethical and privacy issues. We need to look at these questions together and have satisfactory answers, so that we can see that we can make an informed decision, see that AI works well and works to build Zambia. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be very informative, please leave a comment, like the video, share it with others. If you have not subscribed to my channel, search for Felix and you can subscribe, and you will be able to receive the notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching once again, and see you next time. Bye bye.